Hi, Jeff Ludy here, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and I'm just making this like kind of quick video for you. If you guys been watching our channel, you know that we are in Houston and we do a lot of remodel projects where we actually take out old windows and put in new windows. And this was such a cool looking project. I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my phone and make a quick video. One of the things I want to point out to you is that we happen to have wrapped enclosed trailers, right? So like when we haul your windows and stuff down the road, if it starts to sprinkle or it's raining or there's stuff in the air, your windows aren't getting dirty and wet and ugly. And so we have, you know, our own employees, we have insurance, we do everything to the very best of our ability, right? Now, we're not perfect, right? No one's perfect, but doggone it, we sure try hard. One of the things we like to do, and I can point this out to you here on the trailer, is we like to carry with us our own materials. And you know, this is instead of having to run to the store and all that, we keep all this in stock. This is all composite stuff right here, and this composite is really good. So you'll see in a minute where we got some stuff going on. If we ever need to use any materials at all, we're going to use composite materials so that we don't ever have to come back here again, right? I mean, Houston, we get about 50 inches of rain a year. That's when we don't have a hurricane. And so stuff's got to hold up in Houston. You can't not do it right and do it well. So let me flip the camera around for a minute so I can show you. So this house, beautiful house, stucco. You can see Brandon's up there. Hey, Brandon, say hi to the camera, bro. There's Brandon. Look, he's got his mask on. He's keeping everything safe. And we are pulling out these windows that are rotting. She had stucco issues, etc. And putting in this beautiful Windsor window. This window is actually made out of wood on the inside, but it's an aluminum exterior, so it's going to last and not have issues in this environment where we get so much moisture. So there he's working on that one. He's getting pretty close to having it done. It's installed at this point, and we're just working on the trim. If you notice here, our guys are wearing steel-toed boots, right? Wearing safety gloves. We wear eye goggles. We wear a mask. We're trying to keep these guys safe. Like, you know, one of the most important things to me is safety and taking care of our employees and also taking care of our clients' homes. And so, gosh, that's so important for us. So I'm coming back here. You can see here, look, we've got the scaffolding set up so we can have a nice, safe place to work from. This is a pretty cool setup. If you've never seen this, check it out. It's ladders, right? You position a ladder up against the house, and then we've got these scaffolding pieces that actually will go across there. So it gives us a platform to work on. And the guys are, they got these windows out. And by the way, this is stucco, okay? You gotta be really good to get a window out of stucco without cracking it. But our guys have got a lot of experience in that. So look at how good that stucco looks around the perimeter. No damage to the stucco. So we got the window out carefully, safely. Look, drop cloths down here, right, to collect all this debris, so we're not gonna leave in a mess in the homeowner's yard when we leave. And now we're cleaning up the openings because there's always little gunk and pieces of leftover stucco that got into the cracks. And so we're doing that. And then we also have this, you see there, he's taking this board off, right? This is what was put in as, it was called a jam extension when the house was built. So the window went up to that line right there, okay? And then our window's a little bit deeper than the window that was there, and we can't have it sticking out of the edge. Or it would be sticking out of the edge if we didn't do this. So we're taking those boards off carefully, and then we're gonna run them through a table saw because we need to take a little bit of space off of those boards so that our window fits in there properly. So sometimes people say to me, hey Jeff, you know, why can't go buy windows somewhere and do it myself? Well, you could, but you'd run into stuff like this and you'd say, holy cow, I wasn't thinking about that. What am I gonna do now? So, you know, experience, you pay for experience, right? Like you could go to law school on YouTube and try to be your own attorney, but hey, experience matters, especially when it comes to important things and big decisions. And windows are a big decision, and windows are a lot of money, so it's important that you do your best. Hey, introduce yourself for the camera here. You mind?
Yeah, Gabriel.
Yeah, this is Gabriel. Gabriel, how long have you been doing this now?
Wow, 15, 17 years.
17 years, okay. And who'd you work for? Was it Lowe's or Home Depot?
I worked at Pella.
Pella, yeah.
Sears Home Improvement.
Sears Home Improvement, okay.
Yep.
A lot of years. Yes, you've been with us now for what, 3 months maybe?
About 3 months, yes.
About 3 months, okay. So anytime we can see great talent, right, we're gonna snag it. We're gonna steal it, hijack it from somewhere else. And he's on the road to being a crew leader. So right now he's kind of still. I mean, he knows how to install windows, obviously, but he's learning how to do it our way. When the time's right and we got enough helpers, then he'll be running his own crew one day real soon. So I just wanted you guys to meet him in case you see him out at your house one of these days. He's got an honest face, but you just can't see it behind that color. There it is. There it is. All right, thanks, Gabriel. So I'm gonna walk you inside, okay, and see if I can get like a little bit of some video about a window that's already in. And so hold on a minute. I got to knock on the door, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back now. And I'm going upstairs here. You can hear the sawing going on downstairs. Look at this, runners everywhere, right, to protect the floor. Stuff covered up with plastic. Grapes out of the way. Okay, so we've got Brandon. Now, you've met Brandon before. He was in that video about the replacing windows in a brick home. In fact, it's our top watch video as of right now. It must be his young, handsome physique.
I don't think so.
Yeah. And over here, this is Nate. Nate's a pretty recent addition to our team. Nate has a lot of experience in welding, and we didn't hire him for that, but we got some stuff he's going to do around the showroom for us. You should come check it out real soon. Hey, Nate, you're in the dairy industry for a long time, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can weld stainless steel, you can weld just about anything?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if you need some good welding in Houston, Texas, we don't do it, but we know a guy that can sure talk welding with you.
Houston welding expert.
Right? Houston welding expert. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Okay, so on this one, did you have to cut it back in like we're doing downstairs on those fixed windows or not?
No, this one here was a full tear out. We actually had to take out the return that it had, where the return met the sashes, and this one just slid right in.
Okay.
We're doing a full retrim on the outside with all PVC material. It's gonna look great once it's all
Yeah,
done.
that's awesome. Okay, so on this one, you got to leave this trim board here, correct?
Yep.
And I see we got a little damage on it, which we'll fix. But that's just part of getting the window out. And then the new window starts right here,
Exactly.
all the way up to there.
Exactly.
And so all of this right here is wood, guys. If you notice, this is all real wood. It's painted. We pre-painted it in our warehouse before it came out, so the homeowner doesn't have to deal with a few extra days of work here. And then all of this out here, this is all aluminum, okay, with a 2604 powder coat finish. And it actually comes in this really kind of cool color. I don't remember what they call this color, but it's on the Windsor website. But it was really so close. It was really cool that color was. They already had a color they had here in the home. So that's really nice that we were able to match that up so nicely. Okay, so the question people ask all the time, Jeff, why would anybody want wood in Houston, Texas? Because we have so much rain. And the answer is because sometimes in a home, you need a custom color. And getting a custom color on a wood product is so much easier than doing it with any other kind of product. And so we really like that. As far as energy performance and stuff, I mean, these are really super high energy. These windows meet Energy Star guidelines. And so it's going to be more comfortable up here in this room. If you are concerned at all about furniture or carpet or anything fading, now you have 97 to 99% ultraviolet light protection, so that's going to be good. The back of these drapes and stuff, they're not going to be fading like they used to before. So you're going to be more comfortable, you're going to have a better view, and you're not going to have deterioration of your furniture and your fabrics. So that's kind of cool. We like that. Hey, so where's the sash? Oh, is this it right here? Okay, so there's the bottom sash of this window, and I just wanted you to see the grid on this one. This is a kind of a traditional style grid that she chose. It's got a little bit of definition to it. It's not contemporary. It's not like what we call like a putty grill or something that's flatter. It's got a nice little bit of a beveled edge to it. But I want you to see like what a great, because this goes back to craftsmanship, right? So these are separate pieces. But look at how nice and clean the connections are. The butted surfaces are smooth. I can feel that they're nice and smooth. It dead ends properly into the edge here. It just looks really nice. So the fit and finish is great on this product, and it just makes me really pleased to see the work that they've done on this window. Anyway, that's about it for me. Hopefully, even though if you live in the Houston area, we'd love to visit with you. If you live somewhere else in the country, hey, there's some great Windsor dealers near you, I'm sure as well. If you can't find one, let us know. Maybe we can help you find one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.